The classic Mexican Michelada. A fantastic warm weather drink which will please pretty much anyone, even the ants. First, he cuts a lime in half. This lime he will squeeze into a larger container, because, well, he needs to hold the juice. Using a Collins glass of presentation, he adds 2 teaspoons of Mexican hot sauce, in this case his favorite, tapatio. Then, using Worcestershire sauce, or known as English sauce, or Worcestershire sauce, he adds another teaspoon. This will give it some great umami flavor. A very generous pinch of kosher salt. And of course, ice. No need for fancy ice. This is a summer drink, a cocktail. He adds a lime into the mixture and watches it swirl. Then grabbing an ice cold Mexican beer, in this case Modelo, he cracks it. And of course pours it in. Look at that fizz. Quick swirl, and it's time to garnish. He cuts the lime in half, and cuts a thin slice. And then, of course, a slit. This tries. Then he picks it up, there we go. And adds it to his glass. And that is how you make a classic Mexican Michelada. Share, like, and subscribe, and until next time, drink responsibly.